No, I'm joking. Anyway, guys, this is a second part to the video where I show you this and this. I want to teach you how to do the one where you stick a finger in your mouth. Yeah, this sounds wrong. Anyway, what you do is you take your finger, you put it straight, and then you slightly curl it just like that. And then what you do is you stick it in the side of your mouth like that, and you don't force it out like that. You just kind of like push it like that, and your lips are tightened. Yeah. So you put it in your mouth, or just kind of. I'm gonna try to do a loud one. Alright. Yeah. Anyway, peace out.